Welcome to Brake Shack. This is the zoom lens. So this is for the SLS camera. So the reason you'd want to use this is because the SLS camera does have a reasonable field of view, but it can be improved with this. So if you're filming an area and you can see sort of this much, with the zoom angle lens, it widens the angle of the camera, so from the same spot you can see more of the room. Obviously it works in both directions, so you get increased height and width. So basically it's really nice and simple, easy to fit. So there's your SLS camera. So there's the Kinect sensor. If that's mounted on top of an SLS camera, portable one, whatever, it will still work. So basically it just clips on. So just hook around the back, pull it onto the front, slide it to hear it click, and then it should be fixed. So there you go. Easy addition, and gives you a lot better field of view for your SLS camera. If you want one of these, I'll leave a link in the video description, and thanks for watching.